Fourth part of question number 7 of exercise 3.7 is a minus b into x plus a plus by equals to a square minus 2ab minus b square. Second equation is a plus b into x plus y equal a square plus b square. As you can see here student, this one is your equation number 1 and this one is your equation number 2. But this equation number 2 is not in the form of just like equation number 1. So we will simplify this bracket and we will convert this equation number 2 as equation number 1. When you multiply this, first this a plus b will multiply with this x and we will get a plus b into x, and this a plus b when multiply with this y we will get a plus b into y equal a square plus b square. Suppose this one is your equation number 3. Now we will simplify this equation 1 and 3 and we will find the values of x and y. So equation number 1 is a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equals to a square minus 2ab minus b square, and second equation is a plus b into x plus a plus b into y equal a square plus b square. As you can see here student, in both the equation the coefficient of y are same with same sign. So we will subtract both the equation, and when you will subtract, sign will change. Now this a plus by cancel with this minus a plus by. Remaining terms we will like as it is, a minus bx minus a plus bx equal right hand side a square minus 2ab minus b square minus, since minus sign is there so we will use bracket here, a square plus b square. Next step, as you can see, we will take x common, remaining terms a minus b, because of this minus sign this sign will change, equals to, in right hand side also we will open bracket, minus a square plus minus b square. As you can see here student, this positive a square cancel with this minus a square, and in left hand side again this plus a cancel with this minus a. Remaining terms x minus b minus 2b equal right hand side, as you can see, minus 2ab minus 2b square. This minus b square minus b square we will get minus 2b square. So x minus 2b as it is. From right hand side what we will take common, minus 2 and b. Remaining terms a plus b, because we have taken minus sign as common, so plus sign will come within bracket. From both sides this minus 2b cancel with this minus 2b and we will get x equal a plus b. This is the value of x. With the help of this value we will find the value of y by substituting the value of x in any of the equation. So let's substitute the value of this x in equation number 1. From 1, a minus b into x, in place of x what we will write, a plus b. A plus b into y equal a square minus 2ab minus b square. Now student, as we know, which identity we will use here, a plus b into a minus b? Yes, a square minus b square plus a plus b into y equal a square minus 2ab minus b square. Now we will shift this terms a square minus b square in right hand side and we will get a square minus 2ab minus b square. Sign will change, minus a square and plus b square. Now this plus a square cancel with this minus a square, and this minus b square cancel with this plus b square. So we will get a plus b into y equal minus 2ab. So the value of y will be minus 2ab upon a plus b. This is the value of y, and what we earlier we find the value of x is a plus b. These are the values of x and y. Fifth part of this question is 152x minus 378y equal minus 74, minus 378x plus 152y equal minus 604. As you can see here, student, in both the equation, what is common point here? The coefficient of, in first equation the coefficient of x is 152, and in second equation the coefficient of y is 152. And in first equation coefficient of y is minus 378, and in equation second the coefficient of x is minus 378. So for solving this types of question, suppose this one is your equation number 1 and equation number 2. For converting these types of equations into simplest form, first we will add these two equations, and after that we will subtract these two equations. Let's see what we will get. When you add both the equation, 152x plus of minus 372 of x, what you will get? You will get minus plus minus minus, and you will get 226x. Again plus minus minus, and when you subtract you will get 226x equals 2. And when you, since we are adding here, so we will get minus 678. As you can see here, student, we will take minus 226 as common, and we will write remaining terms in the bracket. Since we are taking minus sign common, so within bracket plus sign will come, equal minus 678. Now x plus y equal minus 678 upon minus 226. X plus y equal, this minus sign cancel with this minus sign, and 3s are, you can cancel 226 3s are 678. So we will get new equation number 3. When you add both the equation, you get x plus y equal 3, which is in the simplest form. Let's see what happened if we subtract both the equation. If we subtract both the equation, (152) minus 378, minus will convert into positive sign, and we will get 536x. Again minus 378 minus, this sign will convert into minus when we will subtract this, minus 152y. We will again get minus 536y equals to minus 74 minus 604. Again minus will convert into positive, and when you will subtract we will get 536. As you can see, what we will take common, 536, x minus y equal 536, x minus y equal 536 upon 536. Obviously this will cancel, and we will get x minus y equal 1. This one is your equation number 4. As you can see here, student, in this types of question, when the coefficients are in larger form, they are larger number. In that case, if you add both the equation and when you subtract both the equation, you will easily convert both the equation in simplest form. And now we can apply any of the method for finding the value of x and y. Here x plus y equal 3, x minus y equal 1. Obviously, we will add both the equations because here the coefficient of y are same with opposite sign. This will cancel. X plus x, 2x equal 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 equal 4. X equal 4 upon 2. X equal, what we will get? X equal 2. Now we'll substitute this value in any of the equation. X plus y equal 3. 2 plus y equal 3. Y equal 3 minus 2. It means y equal 1. So the value of y is 1 and the value of x is 2.